Hello, so we're back, but this time we have a customer batteries to repair. So the customer sent me 3 laptops battery to repair. So what do you think? Can we fix them? Or the customer is wrong and actually the laptops are faulty? I mean, check here. Those are some kind of new batteries. The new batteries are expensive. So let's see what the customer is saying. The customer, hello, I have a question. I have 3 original Asus laptop battery. They are locked. I can't charge them inside of the laptops, but that doesn't mean necessary is the battery. They are from laptop Asus. Yeah, assuming that battery is still. You know what? You know what? This customer, I believe, is wrong. That's what I believe. I didn't check the battery, so I don't know. But I know Asus, yeah, has that tricky charging port, and the charging port has a switch on the back to detect if the charger is plugged in, and that switch we found it so many times faulty. So I will say let's check the batteries because those battery looks like new. Let's check the battery and see if they are faulty. Okay, so I connected the first battery. Let's see what is the problem. Check there. Why this battery died? Why this battery is locked? So you can see the cell voltage are like 1.2 volts each cell. The cycle count 184, but check here the health of the battery is good. So this battery is still fine. So in the moment the cell voltage is going under the a setup limit, which is probably around 3 volts, the battery will get locked in itself. So what is the solution? The solution is, what is the solution? Small incision into the battery, and let's try to bring the cells to the right amount of voltage, and let's see if this battery it will get unlocked in itself. I'm curious. So the cells are here. We can see the cells here. But the board of the battery, I'm assuming the board is here. So what I'm gonna do, I will do like a small incision here, a surgical incision. So what do we have here? Ta-da! So we have a little bit of, yeah, okay, that's the temperature sensor. You can see it is there. So what happened with the cell? The cell are too low. The fuse, check here. Not sure if you can spot the fuse. The fuse is here. Do you think the fuse is burned? Let's check under the microscope. We have the fuse here, and on the last video, someone asked, sorry, but why didn't check the fuse with the multimeter? Because it's more easy just to pop up this cover and check inside it's actually burned or not. And the fuse is not burned. I think it's not burned. No. You can see the solder bridge there. Yeah, that solder bridge. Yeah. No, the fuse is good. But we can check with the multimeter now. The fuse, check there. I mean, it's like 0 ohms, but my multimeter is wrong. So the fuse is good. The cells voltage are not. So you see this battery just died because no one charged it. And we have 1.1 volts, and here we have 1.2. So what I will do, I will charge both cells at the same time, yeah? So the plus is here, the minus is here. So we are charging the battery with around 4.7 amps. I'm curious about the voltage because I don't want to charge it like, I want to charge it with the device. We have 3.3 and we have 3.4. So I want to charge this cell a little bit more. 3.3 is here. I mean, it's fine, yeah? Let's connect the battery back to the analyzer and see what the analyzer is saying. Okay, so the problem is, even if we charge the cell, the cells they have now, like 3.3, they are balanced, but the battery is still locked. You can see. So in this case, didn't help. Let's stop reading, power off. Let's go to reset, and let's try to reset. Good. Read chip info. And you can see on the PF status, we have an error there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna power on just to be sure I have power on the battery. Unseal. Okay, so the chip is unsealed. Read the chip info. Okay, that's fine. Clear chip errors. Read chip info. And PF status is now 0. Now we can seal the battery back. Good. And battery info. Now power off, battery info, read. So you can see now the battery, it is unlocked. Yeah, saying health of the battery. So what is the solution? The solution is going to the charge tab, start charging, that's all, and now it's working. Yeah, you can see it's taking current. So now the battery, it is unlocked. And you can see the current is going up, the voltage is going up. 1.6 amps. Probably is going to 3 amps, or depends how much the battery can take. No, 1.7. So you see those values, yeah, like current, charging current. It's inside of the battery setup. It's not, like some it will believe actually the laptop is knowing how to charge the battery. No, all the values are provided by the battery. So this battery is fine. It's no issue with the battery. Read again. Yeah, you can see it's charging, but it's still discharged. But it's unlocked now. Now this battery got locked, yeah, just because no one used the laptop for a while. And you see, that's the reason why, it's just bad for the environment and for the customer just to throw in the bin this battery, where actually the battery is good. You can see the status of the battery is good. So no point when you can just unlock it and it's ready to be used again. Okay, good. So one battery is repaired. Before we are moving to the next battery, I will take 10-15 minutes break and I will leave it on charge. Just to be sure when I'm sending the battery back, it's not like fully discharged. So see you soon. Okay, so we left the battery on charge for a while. Let's press stop. And let's check one more time. Yeah, check there. Yeah, so the cell voltage are like 3.7. They are balanced. And the capacity of the battery, yeah, is just still empty, but should be fine till it's reaching the customer. Okay, now let's move to the other batteries and see what we can do. This one is fixed. Perfect. And now here we can just use like a little bit of black tape. Okay, let's go to the other one, which is this one. Yeah, let's do it. Let's see. So the connector is plugged in. Let's read the battery. Start reading and it's not doing anything. Let's power on. Yeah, and it start reading some things. Yeah, now it's fine. So you see, the second battery has exactly the same problem. I mean, the battery is locked and the cells, you can see, 1.2 volts. I mean, trust me, it's the second battery. Yeah? It's not the same what we repair. So we fixed this one because I put tape, and this is the second one. Now, on the same way, let's do a small incision here. And I'm not going to check the fuse, yeah? Let's go and charge actually the cells, and we are fine. So coming with the power supply, let's lower the voltage. Perfect. So if I remember, here was minus and here was plus. But we have a little bit of foil here. Yeah. So plus of the battery, which is here, and the battery is charging. Check on the screen with 4.7 amps. Can we see this live? Probably we can, yeah. All we need is to bring the software on the screen. Yeah. So you can see the cells, they have 3.5 coming with current. And now look at the cell's voltage, how quickly it's going up. The battery is taking nearly 5 amps, you can't see. But you know what? Check that on the screen. So even if we are charging the cells, the battery is still locked. So I will stop pushing current, 3.8. Yeah, I will stop pushing current, and the cells probably it will goes down to 3.3. Yeah, that's fine. Stop reading, power off. Battery is discharged, and the capacity of this battery, check here. Yeah, it's like nearly like new, 158 cycles. Go back to the reset. Next, next. Yeah, check on the PF status. You can see, so here it has to be 0000. And we have a bunch of errors there. Unseal the battery. Read chip info. Clear chip errors. Now read chip info, and we have PF status 00. Yeah. Seal. And now we can end. And now if we are going to battery info, check there, yeah? So the battery is unlocked. Now I will go on the charge tab and I will start charging. We have to pay attention on the current. And at the moment it's not charging actually. Why is taking no current? Now why this battery is not charging? If we unlock the battery. That's strange. No, we have no current. It's saying it's charging, but we have no current, and you can see the current is not going up. And the battery is unlocked. Do you think the fuse is burned? Let's check together. Let's check the fuse. That's the fuse. And check here, yeah? Check here. You can see the fuse is burned. Yeah. You see the bridge, it's a solder bridge from this side to this side. It's not there, you can see? So it's separated. You can see it's separated. Yes, all we have to do is to rebuild that fuse. Yeah, Rosin, and now perfect. Now the fuse is fixed. I'm curious if it's working. So again, read, still unlocked, still fine. Charge. Start charging. Check the current. Check the current. The current is going up. So now the battery, it is unlocked and it is charging. You can see the current is going up. But it's interesting, you see, different behavior from exactly the same battery model. One blew up the fuse, one didn't. Okay, so just give me like 10-15 minutes. I will let this battery on charge just to be sure, you know, we are sending the battery with a little bit of current in it. Okay, we'll let the battery on charge for a while, like 5 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, so the cells, they are 3.6 volts, still empty, but it's unlocked and it's working fine. So this battery is repaired. Now let's put back this and a little bit of tape over. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. You can't even see it was repaired, right? Yeah. So both batteries are repaired. Now we have one left, which is this one. Okay, everything is fine. Check that. Check that. You see, check the cells, yeah? So this battery cycle count is 5. Just want to say, this is a brand new battery. Check that. Check the health of the battery. This is a brand new. The battery is locked because the cells are discharged. You can see. Cycle count 5. Huh. Insane. Okay, so what do we have to do is to charge those cells, yeah? In order to charge the cells, we have to access the board. So here you have the cells. But where is the board? I can feel the plastic, so here is plastic. Yeah, but that's fine if we have access here. So let's do a small incision. Yeah, so we do have access to the cells. You can see there. Let me check the voltage. So the voltage here is 5.2. So I believe those are the size of the battery, plus and minus. And the battery is charging with 4.7 amps, you can see. Now we can check online, start reading, and I will charge the cells now. So you can see the voltage is going rapidly up. We have a poor balance, but that it will change soon. You see it's getting better. Perfect. So we push a little bit of current into the battery. That's fine. That's enough. The battery is still locked. Stop reading. You cannot charge a locked battery. So if I'm going to charge, nothing will happen. I mean, you can see the current is 0, and it's all about the current. You see, we cannot charge the battery. So I will go to reset. New, next. Unknown firmware, that's fine. Oh, this is the same chip like last time, Renesas. And someone said on the chat, sorry, this is quite well-known. Okay, read chip info. Unseal. Good. Unseal executed. Read chip info. Clear chip errors. Yeah, all good. Errors cleared. Yeah, you can see the address here. Now is 00. You can see it. Compare with here. where we have a 1. Seal back, and if we are going now, you can see the battery, it is unlocked. So I will go and charge the battery. Let's see if it's charging. I'm curious. It's not charging. It's not charging. So even here we have a blow-up fuse, right? Must be, because we have no current. The battery is unlocked, but has no current. So let's stop charging and let's go and analyze the fuse. Let's see where is the fuse. And the fuse is not here. How? How is this possible? No, we have no fuse. Probably it's on the other side of the board. Good, now let's turn the board on the other way. We have the, yeah, check there. You can see it? Yeah, that's the one. This is the one. And you can see the fuse is blow up. It's supposed to be a bridge here. Yeah, a solder bridge. And it's not. Like how I said last time, this is a heated fuse, yeah? So the fuse, it will blow up. When the heater, it will melt the solder. Basically, it's kind of a slow fuse, slow high current fuse. Yeah, perfect. So the fuse is fixed. Now we are both curious to see if it's working. So let me put this back. Perfect. Yeah, let's plug the connector. Plus, minus. Good. And now let's try to charge the battery. Start charging. Check the current. The current is going up. So you see, this is another case where actually the BQ chip blow up the fuse and lock the battery for no reason. I mean, this is a brand new battery. This battery has 5 cycles. Look how nicely the current and the voltage is going up. And the voltage on the per cell. You can see the voltage per cell. Stop charging. Battery info. Yeah, you can see the battery is unlocked and everything is fine. 5 cycles. That's all what this battery has. Yeah, it's quite a shame, you know, this battery, it will go on bin if no one it will send for repair. Okay, anyway, I'm happy I fixed 3 batteries. Now, the price of the 3 batteries, because I seen the, you know, I understand this device, it is expensive. But just doing one job like these 3 batteries, I just took the price out for 1 year. Yeah, like I have 10 years subscription, and I just pay for 1 year with one job. Yeah, one job which included all 3 batteries. I'm just saying, you know what I mean? On a computer shop, you know, this kind of device is like a must-have. And no, usually the batteries are dying from different reasons, not because they are used. And okay, you know, it's what is the point unlocking, because the battery is used anyway. Check those batteries, yeah, those like brand new. So this battery, it is charging with 3 amps. You can see the current. Yeah. So that's the max current which can be provided by the analyzer. But the battery, it is repaired. Good. So I'm gonna stop now. I will say for me, yeah, like I will speak strictly for me. For me, fixing batteries is a part of the business. And I'm not doing videos for every battery, but I'm taking quite a lot of batteries. Like how I said, there are cheap batteries. You can buy them from eBay. But there are expensive batteries, which you can't even find them to buy. Or if you find them, like 80, £100. So I'll say thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.